right, here we have a drawing, and this is similar to his fission rocket for getting rid of nuclear payload or nuclear waste. And he states on this one, this eliminates radioactive exhaust contamination. The lasers heat the cones that transfer heat to the propellant mass. So what's going on in this rocket? Well, he has like the other rocket designs, like in the dirty space, dirty ice ball pulse detonation rocket that had like a fission reactor, and he would use a parabolic reflector and shoot a laser at these ice gathered from space that has, heavy water for explosions to propel the rocket. He had that design. Then he had a design that mixed hydrogen, H2, with a powerful laser for exhaust. And it had the fission reactor, in the front of the craft, and the nozzle in the back. That's where you had the exhaust. And this one is just a plain fission rocket. In this one, he states a chemical laser, CO2 lasers, which were popular. Chemical lasers were like the early powerful lasers, popular in the 20th century, late 20th century. He states he may have come up with this idea in the 1980s or 1990s. And this, like the other designs, would use plutonium rods in the back. He would have a liquid coolant, like a rocket propellant, or compressed air from turbine, axial flow compressor. I don't know the proper term for that, but people in aerospace would know what that means. And then he has americurium. I think I called it americium. Americurium coating inner cylinder. So americurium is kind of like plutonium. It's a radioactive substance. I think it's mixed with metal, and it's considered safer. Plutonium can reach critical mass, which means like a atomic bomb or an explosion, or 3 Mile Island or something like that, Chernobyl. So, and then you see rocket blast out, and you can see the cones that are heated for the propellant mass. He states, I don't remember how many years ago I first came up with this idea. I think in the 1990s, could have been in the 1980s. I passed the idea around in Texas. Typical thanks I got, an escort to the door treatment. So a lot of his ideas were passed on, or he just got the cold shoulder. And that's common if you don't really have credentials. If you're not in the loop with NASA and the big wigs, with the prestigious jobs and stuff in space and rockets and aerospace. Some people also hold security clearances, so they're unwilling to talk. So